Good morning, friends. So, today we bring in something exclusive, something rare, something for the first time in this portal, in this channel, and something which is very exclusive, very prized, and very precious. Yes, I'm talking about a very well renowned brand in the cricketing industry, which is SG, and SG completes 90 years in this cricketing world. And to mark this impeccable feat, we have the SG 90 years anniversary bat, which is a very rare, very prized possession, and a very precious bat in its every right. Yes, we are talking about this beautiful bat, which comes in this spectacular case. This amazing bat is one of the only 90 bats that will be produced by SG. So, if I look to unveil this bat right now in front of you, to mark off this, to start off, this comes in a very special wooden case, a very precious feeling, and a very spectacular feeling. And look at this beauty, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bat. And to highlight the fact, this comes with this precious embossed sticker which has a silver glittery outlining and a backdrop, and this slight gradient of green touch with this black. And the grip of this one is a very good grip, a grip which is very comfortable. And if I talk about this bat, see this is a monster of a bat, beautiful bat. you know this is a batsman's dream. See the grains: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 grains. All grains are exactly straight ruler perfect grains, going exactly towards the back of it as well. And the back is also beautiful embossed, beautiful stickering, and a beautiful bat again. This is SG 90 years anniversary bat, and SG has left no stone unturned to put in all the years of experience into this bat. This will be, and this shall always remain a possession for years to follow, and shall maintain its mark in the cricketing world as well. Not a lot of people would want this bat or might feel that this is overpriced, but trust me, guys, this is legacy. This is something that you would cherish over the years to follow, and this is something that would be passed on from generations to generations, just like what SG has been delivering over the generations in the cricketing world over the years. So all the 90 years of experience have been put in this bat, and this wonderful willow, this wonderful piece of bat is by far the best bat that SG is producing right now. And to get this one, you have to simply get in touch with me today, and this bat will be yours very soon, because I only have this bat, and only 90 bats of such kind are to be made. And this is something that you should not miss out if you are looking for something to keep for years and years and years.